What's good, Cana fam? Welcome back to Wepop Gardening. We are back over here in the Vivasun 4x4 Pro Kit underneath those Arrow Lightwing LEDs and the KONGZILLA. I just wanted to step back here and let you guys admire that, because I know I do. She is on day 23 currently, and Lord, is she starting to stack up, fam. So we got the frost already rolling in here. Bud structure is looking great. We are stairwaying all the way up. I think these buds are going to be pretty astronomical. The green rush has been feeding the mess out of her. She's healthy as crap, and I'm happier than ever with that, and super impressed. Sold on it, just like I'm sold on the Vivasun. I wanted to give you guys the update here, but before I do that, smash that like, hit the subscribe if you're new, and so you can get all the notifications, hit the bell, and catch everything we're dropping over here, because we got some cool things coming up, and I'm super excited to let y'all see how this finishes out. Anyway, we are feed day today. We're gonna do a heavy dose, and but I just wanted you guys to come in here and check out these buds and let y'all see how they're looking currently, and go over a few adjustments that I've made over here in the tent. She's frosting up real nice already, so super stoked. As y'all can see, a lot of you made a couple mentions on how close the light was. I was able to move that up. Just pulled the retainers off there and attached those adjustment hangers directly to the light, and went 2 each. So I got a lot more control and got more height up there. The funny thing is, moving them up there actually has cooled the tent off. I don't know if it's because the vent is now below the lights themselves, actually pulling the heat directly out, or what it is, but it's definitely maintaining even more and way better than it was previously. Had to adjust some of these clips for the tent guards, so that way we're not rubbing up. I've had that issue a few times along the way. You know, we're taking full advantage of the setup, man. This Pro Kit's awesome. That's all right. I didn't want that damn thing there anyway. But again, today's feed day, and we are in week 3, so I'm gonna do a heavy defull. One of y'all brought up doing the Swayze on it. I feel like it's a little late, and truth be told, I want to get the best crop, obviously, but I also don't want to stress her out and harm her. It's gonna be a super good crop, and I want to see what we can get out of it. But I am gonna heavy defull. I know that taking those out raises the CO2 levels, very similar to doing the sways on it and letting it breathe. So I also want to get more light down here to this middle, so these buds can all fill in and we get more crop that way as well. So sit tight. I got the water set up over here in that DeWalt 2-gallon sprayer everybody keeps asking me about. You guys can get those on Amazon or at Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever. Probably locally there if you don't want to wait on shipping. All right, fam. So again, using the Green Rush Bloom Beefy Bud. Super good. I'm impressed with this stuff because it's water soluble. So it's very similar to feeding with bottle newts. You just give it what it needs on your regular feed cycle, and you can actually control it. So I got 2 gallons here, so it doesn't in liters. It's like four teaspoons per gallon, basically. So I'm gonna do a little heavy feed on it. So I might do like 9, just so that way I got it covered. But I'm gonna drop a link for this down below in the description. If y'all are interested, as you can see, stuff works amazing. You're welcome to go get you some. Just use Wepop, all lowercase. Save you guys 10% if you want to try it out. But definitely recommend it if you're into organic growing. And today I am not gonna give it the seaweed extract. I'm just gonna run the bloom and leave it as is, because I think microbe life is good. Boosters are doing well. I don't think it needs it. I gave it the Epsom salt for some magnesium, a little more magnesium than what's in here, because I started noticing it in the leaves. But I think we're just gonna run standard feed today and leave it at that. Alright y'all, so we got the water wrapped up here. I'm gonna get you guys kind of an overhead here view and let y'all see prior to. I'm gonna do a heavy defo. Like I said, I'm gonna get these bub sites like open and exposed, so we get these lowers some more light and get these lower buds popping like the tops are doing. As y'all can see, I mean, they're frosting out pretty good. Happy with that. It's gonna be a headbanger for sure. And I think we're gonna get a solid crop off this, but obviously we wanna maximize. So we're gonna just come up in here and start clipping them off. We got her cut down here. I think she's looking pretty good, y'all. So heavy defo complete. We are at day 23, and we will check back in here in a couple days, fam. I took a little bit more than I normally would, but there's so much foliage on her. I think she's gonna be all right. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Happy Friday, y'all. Welcome back here. We are on day 27. Just getting home from work and wanted to come in here and let y'all see how the defo went. She's doing well. She does need some water. She's thirsty. Got some leaves falling down a little bit. They don't look happy. Not buoyant. You don't know. Anyway, she's just frosting up over here and looking beautiful, y'all. So I'm also gonna feed today. Everything's looking great. I'll probably feed this run and then water the next. I had a bunch of questions about the green rush and how to use it, so I thought I'd talk to y'all about that right quick. A couple of y'all have said that they didn't have like instructions, but you guys were using it and whatnot. I don't know if maybe it's the bigger bucket here, but I definitely got instructions here, guys. See that? So basically, I've been doing 1 teaspoon per liter of water. A gallon's like 3.85 or something like that per liters per gallon. So basically I do 4. I don't know, base it off 4 liters. So I give it a little bit extra just because we're in flower. It seems to maintain well. I know this is a heavy feeder, so I know it should be okay with the extra stuff as far as nutrients being available. But again, with the green rush, you're just feeding, kind of like bottle newts. You just feed water, and if your plants are telling you they need more, then give it a little more. I mean, obviously take your time with it, but y'all know, proof is in the pudding, as they say. And look at that, she frosty as crap already, healthy, besides me not getting in here earlier to water her up. But that green rush is where it's at, y'all. I'm telling you, this stuff's good. Again, I'm affiliated, so if y'all are interested in that, I'm gonna drop it down in the description, get you a link. Go use Wepop lowercase and get yourself set up. I think it's pretty awesome that that's organic and water soluble, so ready right away for uptake. It was one of the things that I did not like about Gaia. Great product though. Gaia's awesome. It's a good, you know, water it, roll on. You don't have to worry about it, especially if you got your soil set right, your pH levels and all that. But anyway, I'm gonna get this set up here, and we're gonna water. Yes, I got the connotation on the Granddaddy Purple taking 16 minutes. I do just want to say, fam, this is my quiet time, so I kind of like to water slow and just get some me time here in the garden, away from all the work and hustle and bustle and you know, kid drama and all that good stuff. Anyway, but today I will water fast because it's Friday. I want to go chill. Alright, so we got the watering done. Ran it till runoff. And we're just going to let that little bit settle down there for the moment. Help raise the humidity a little bit. It's kind of low today. Obviously it needed water. But we're right at like 40% in here in the room. With it shut, it was holding right about 45. So we'll pick that up a little bit, but I wish I would have netted it. I wish I would have netted it. So guess we're gonna take it back to the old school, and I'll be running some hangers here. I'm just gonna tie off these individual branches. The branches are fairly thin on this thing, which kind of shocks me. She got a little laggy during stretch, which some of you have noticed for sure. But I'm gonna go ahead and work on supporting these throughout the next day or so. Obviously, I'm not gonna bore y'all with that, but we'll get that done. That way we can support the buds and let the plant think that it's got more support than it actually has. I don't want the branches to break. As we progress here, I know she'll stiffen up a little bit on her own accord, but obviously it's not worth risking. And if we can get bigger nugs off of it, why not, right? So anyway, fam, I just wanted to get back in here, let y'all see what was going on. Let y'all see how frosty she's getting. And man, she's looking beautiful, y'all. I am excited about this one. The way these top nodes are stacking, good Lord. This is gonna be a pretty good turnout, I'm thinking, as long as we can maintain the rest of the way here. Anyway, stay tuned, and man, that V is super cool, y'all. That reminds me of the shishka berry that I ran. I'm gonna link that at the end here, so if y'all want to go check that out, that was a pretty cool run too. Good nugs. That was probably the best, fruitiest smoke I've had, man. Bernie's Farms. But the V, man, that was it was really cool. I topped it right before flower, and it pretty much did the same thing this Kong's doing. Imagine that. Sativa dominant strain itself here, so I didn't expect anything less than a big stretch, but wish I would have done a little bit different to hold it down. But anyway, is what it is. We're running it. We're gonna see what's going on. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you on the next one, y'all. Hope you have a great week. Peace.